Jeff, you all right?
Yeah, I'm fucking ready for some Becker.
Yep, he got hit hard.
Right, cool.
Am I hit hard?
You were hit hard.
I'm just I'm just chill.
Yep.
Good. That's it. Well, if he's just chill, then we're good.
No, right when you Movie Central coming to your face and ears and shit. So
What's happening, everybody?
we're doing.
All right. Well, already we're off to a great start.
Hello.
There you
Hello.
go. Jeff's mic
Hello.
isn't working
Okay.
because he's been fucking around with it.
I'm not trying to fuck around with the mic.
I know.
I'm Jeff with 1F.
I'm Michael Angus Beef, and we're joined by everybody here. Pun Master Jock
BMJ.
Magical Mystery Tyler.
and Mystery Tyler.
Hey,
And
Woody
already-
Woodpecker.
I do actually have a stake in this because this show was used to test if I was autistic or not.
Wait,
Really?
Why?
Yes. I'll show you why in a sec, actually.
Yeah, please do.
This is interesting now.
Yeah. I don't think it would be this episode, but
But there was a specific episode. That's very interesting.
yeah.
Cold wave.
Weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it.
You're in the south.
Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
Thrilling.
This is actually interesting. Fucking showing how the birds will migrate in fucking Looney Tunes land.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Remember when we had that?
Yes. Remember when trees could zip?
Yeah.
Don't forget your child. Jesus, fuck.
Negligence.
Yeah. Even the babies are flying south of winter.
Man, he looks different.
Okay. So apparently his voice plus all his actions are very annoying. However,
Really?
Hey, Pop. Where's everybody
I was gonna actually segue into Sonic because the entire reason why autistic kids
I
like
know about Sonic, yes.
is because he's blue.
Yes.
Now-
And I like
Sorry,
Sonic
Mike.
a lot.
Yeah.
Speaking the mic.
Oh, because so the test I had was he showed me an episode, and he asked me what I thought of Woody Woodpecker. And I'm like, a little annoying, honestly. 'Cause apparently, if I was autistic, I would have just been head over heels for this guy.
Really?
Yep. So it's like, okay, so you're not that autistic. However, I cannot conclude that you were completely sane. So we'll say you're on the low end of the spectrum.
Okay, I
Mild
agree with
autism.
Yep.
Is that what he said afterwards? Just mild autism?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I have the same thing. Like I have a form. I'm pretty sure I have a form of mild autism.
I'm pretty sure you have Jeffism.
Well, that's a completely
Jeffism.
different ism. You don't want that ism,
Jeffism?
kids.
Yeah, it sucks.
Not as bad as Marioism though. Now they know shoot the shit.
Must be hot water in this lake.
So that's a thing.
Yeah,
Fuck.
that's very interesting, actually. Tyler getting really deep today.
Yeah. Well.
How long ago was
round.
this though? Actually?
Yeah.
That's been back when I'd be in 5th grade. That's my
Oh
test.
wow.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
130 degrees below zero.
Seems authentic. Ironically enough, we could actually hit those temperatures in theory now.
Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow.
Can't say that in this day and age.
Woody Woodpecker wants to give your pecker a snow job.
Oh, banana and everything.
Hey, come back here with my food.
Jock, you're really fucking quiet.
Hey, that brownie's kicking in.
Oh my god. Yeah, we did do that, didn't we?
Yes, you did.
Man, then you're annihilated.
Oh my god. I feel so bad now.
Is that good or bad,
That's
Jock?
a really cool
Holy
Grim Reaper.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this? See? Woody Woodpecker has Jeffism. You fucking dick.
I'm that
Jeez.
you just read about.
Back where they actually use those slides effectively.
I'm so
Yeah.
hungry I could eat a
You want a
woodpecker.
dick in the mouth?
Yeah,
You're
that's
fucking
it.
gross.
Oh
Well,
wow.
he came to the right house.
Pardon me, buddy.
So was that supposed to be the tornado?
I think so, yeah.
Yes.
That's
that was.
smoking with him now.
Yeah.
Wait, no, that's starvation staring in the face. Remember?
Oh,
that's
no, I
right.
didn't.
Come in. You're just in time for dinner.
Yeah.
Jeez.
What are you gonna have for dinner?
Sorry, somebody's trying to call me.
Ooh, is it her?
Yeah.
No.
Ah.
Holy fuck! This is actually brutal.
Oh no, you think this is brutal? This cemented like half my fetishes.
Wow.
Yep.
Weird.
I love how super unnecessarily honest you are.
Yeah. We're
But that's
learning a
why
lot
you are
about
magical
you.
mystery.
Tyler.
Yeah,
It's true. The name owns itself.
it does. I mean, maybe one of the shits will be my vow of truth for
Jock,
6
what's
years.
2 plus 2? You're
Yeah.
really freaking me out.
It's 4, John.
You're really freaking me out. Star Wars. Captain Marvel. Puckman. Ah! Smirk, you little faggot. Yeah.
I was smirking at the guy trying to get his
No, I'm not
dinner.
talking to you, Tyler. I'm talking
Oh,
to
you're talking to him. Okay.
I'm not talking to you this whole time. What?
This is how you know I'm autistic.
Oh, Jesus.
This is where you start seizuring. You're like, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Good old cartoon physics.
Holy fuck. Cannibal Woodpecker. Ooh! No, my fine
Now,
pigeon.
my fine pigeon.
Ah, the good old oversized pot. Fucking old.
Oh, and the flexibility. I love that.
Yep, the flexibility of that metal.
Yep. It's metal.
That's how I
as
know.
Fuck.
That's how I know we didn't go to the moon.
No.
Jesus fuck. See, that's rational. Go hunt
Yeah.
a deer, not
That's
eat a cat.
Caribou, Jeff.
And
Sure.
okay, caribou.
He's fucking dead.
Oh my
Caribou.
God! Look at that.
Mounted his head on a tree, too.
That was pretty good. But you know I'm still...
Why is
What?
Woodpecker talking like a 50-year-old man?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Grab the sharp weapons, proceed to fist each other.
You know what? That's a cartoon right there.
That is
I will
fucked
give
up.
it that. It is indeed a cartoon.
That is more fucked up, I think, than
Why can't all my
the other
cartoons
one
be
we
like
watched with the fucking like graveyard coming alive.
Really?
I don't know.
That's you know what? That's a very good point.
Okay,
yeah.
do you know why? Because
Oh,
that shit, the graveyard thing that we watched, what's it fucking called? Bimbo the dog.
No, what it was called? It was
Yeah,
called
Bimbo.
"Swing All You Sinners."
Yeah, Swing All You Sinners by Bimbo. It fucking like it's cartoony. Like we get it. It's a cartoon, stupid shit.
Yeah.
This is like real life shit right here. That could be real fucking life. Think of that. Honestly, people will fucking do that, go crazy, and be cannibalistic.
Yeah, they will.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the-
think about that, Mike.
Yeah,
You
it's
ponder
true.
that and fucking sauce it in your mind.
These people.
And with that, I think we'll end off the episode. Thank you very much for joining
By
us.
the
We'll
way,
see
Jock
you next
was
time.
here, and he loves you.
Yeah, Jock.
We're having a
Jock-
good
yeah,
time.
it's-
Goodbye.
Here, bye.